Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain Denali. The Denali Terrain is powered by a 1.5 turbocharged engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Denali Terrain: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, height adjustable trunk release, your heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with, of course, Denali in the center. We have push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control as well, your gear selector system, the button. You do have heated and ventilated seating, 4-wheel drive system, as well as the all black interior with Bose audio and our leather heated and ventilated Terrain Denali seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Terrain Denali, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package with the beautiful alloy wheels and the Hankook Energy GT tires. We have the color-matched door handles with keyless entry and chrome accents, Denali badging on the lower door, and color-matched mirror caps coming down to the front. LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. You have your Denali encrusted grille, front camera system, parking sensors there as well. Making our way down the backside, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Denali, we do have the LED brake lights, rear parking sensors, backup camera system, Terrain all-wheel drive badging, and your height adjustable trunk release. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as they are heated. Over top, the light colored headliner with the dual panel sunroof system, LED lighting. You have your 3-stage heated seats, USB ports, and your outlet there. That 60/40 split allows you to fold the seats nice and flat. We do have the OEM rubberized floor liners yet to be installed as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.